Hey everyone, in today's video, we're going to show you how to create viral talking AI avatars like this one. This process is super easy and can be done entirely using free websites, so stay tuned. But before we dive in, if you have any interest in staying up to date with the latest AI tools and learning how to make the most of them, you have come to the right place. Our content revolves around keeping you well informed and delivering step-by-step tutorials on harnessing AI tools in today's fast-paced world. Remember to hit the subscribe button. Your support is instrumental in sustaining our content creation. Now, let us get started. Step 1 is all about creating an AI avatar image. To embark on this creative journey, we will be harnessing the remarkable capabilities of the cutting-edge AI image generator known as Leonardo AI. But before we dive into the exciting world of AI-generated avatars, there are a few essential preparations to ensure a smooth experience. First and foremost, it is imperative that you have a free account set up on the Leonardo AI website. This account grants you the privilege of receiving 150 credits each day, allowing you to explore and experiment with the AI image generation process without any financial constraints. If you are new to Leonardo AI and find yourself wondering how to navigate its features and unleash its potential, fret not. We've got you covered. I have created a video tutorial titled How to Use Leonardo AI, a Beginner's Tutorial, which offers a comprehensive guide to help you get started. It is highly recommended that you take a moment to check out this tutorial before proceeding further. This will provide you with valuable insights into how Leonardo AI functions and ensure you make the most of this incredible tool. Now, let us delve into the specifics of creating your AI avatar image. One crucial aspect to keep in mind is the orientation of your subject. For the best results, ensure that your subject is facing directly forward, with no tilt or angle. This will enable the AI to generate a more accurate and visually pleasing avatar. In the prompt box provided by Leonardo AI, you have the opportunity to specify your preferences and desired characteristics for your AI avatar. For instance, you can input detailed instructions such as an old man facing front, background is towering skyscrapers. Feel free to tailor your prompt to your creative vision or requirements. Then, it is time to bring your AI avatar to life. Simply click the Generate button and Leonardo AI will work its magic to create a unique and captivating avatar image that aligns with your instructions. You will get a selection of subjects to choose from. You can also use extra features like unzoom to add background space and upscale to enhance image quality. When you are satisfied, download your image. Now, let us delve into the second phase of our project, which involves crafting a compelling voiceover for our avatar. To accomplish this, we will be utilizing the impressive text-to-speech software available on the website ElevenLabs.com. These platforms offer a wide range of voices to choose from, allowing you to select the one that best suits your character or subject. Once you have made your choice, simply input the script you want your avatar to deliver. By the way, if you find yourself in need of inspiration or assistance when drafting your script, I have a fantastic suggestion for you. You can leverage the power of ChatGPT, which is a remarkable tool designed to aid you in generating creative and engaging content. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm ideas, refine your messaging, and even suggest suitable dialogue for your avatar's voiceover. It is a valuable resource that can significantly enhance your content creation process, making it both efficient and effective. Okay then, hit generate. As you can
Greetings,
hear,
everyone.
it is incredibly
We're pausing for a
realistic.
brief moment to convey
Once you are
our
happy with your
sincere
voiceover,
gratitude to all
download
our
it.
recent-
Moving on to the next phase, which is step 3. It is time to breathe life into our avatar. For this task, we will be leveraging the capabilities of a platform called dig.com. To get started, you will need to set up a free account on the website. Once you have done that, navigate to Create Video section to initiate the process. However, If you are looking for a comprehensive guide on how to use this platform effectively and want a step-by-step walkthrough, I recommend watching a video titled How to Get Started with DID AI Video Generator, a Beginner's Guide. This video will provide you with detailed instructions on how to create an account and use the platform to its full potential. It is a valuable resource that can help you make the most of DID AI Video Generator for your project. Now, click Add to upload your avatar image and upload voice audio to add your voiceover. Now, click Generate Video and hit Generate. Congratulations! Your avatar is officially alive. You can now download the finished clip. Moving on to step number 4, which is entirely optional but can significantly enhance the quality of your content. We will be incorporating captions using a free video editing software called CapCut. Begin by downloading and installing the software, then import your video and place it on the timeline. Next, navigate to the text section and select Auto Captions. Create your captions by clicking on the Captions button and adjust the length of each caption to suit your preferences. To further customize your captions, explore the text settings to stylize your font. Once you are satisfied with the appearance and timing of your captions, proceed to export your final reel. Congratulations! You have now successfully created a viral AI talking avatar complete with captions. Now, let us see and hear our newly created viral AI talking avatar.
Greetings, everyone. We're pausing for a brief moment to convey our sincere gratitude to all our recent subscribers. Your tremendous support is deeply appreciated, and every click on that subscribe button fills us with joy. It's your encouragement that fuels our passion and motivates us to keep producing captivating content. We're eager to share even more engaging videos down the line. So, with utmost appreciation, thank you for becoming a cherished part of our community. Rest assured, we're committed to putting in extra effort to craft videos that cater to your interests and needs.
So, what are your thoughts on these trending AI-generated talking avatars? Do you find them impressive? Or perhaps you have reservations about them? I am eager to hear your perspective, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights on this topic are greatly appreciated. Again, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and please don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward AI tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.